How to set up an NFT Discord server. Hey there guys, this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own server on Discord for your NFTs. So if you're creating NFTs on Canva, Figma, or any other platform, you can start promoting them and building a community around your NFTs on Discord. So to start us off, first you need to go to discord.com and then you click on Open Discord in your browser. If you don't have a Discord account yet, or if you're not familiar with the platform, all you need to do is enter whatever username you want to use here in the text box. I suggest using the same username you used on the NFT marketplace you're using to make it easier for your community to distinguish who you are. So if you're using OpenSeas or any other marketplace to sell your NFTs, whatever username you have there, you'd want to keep it the same on Discord. So after you input your username, you're going to continue by clicking the arrow next to the text box. Then you're going to get started with creating your own Discord account. Now if you already have a Discord account, you're going to be greeted with a welcome back page, and if you don't, you'll be forwarded to the sign up page. All you have to do here is create your account by using your email, re-entering your username, and creating a password. So once you've made, verified, and logged into your account, you'll finally see your basic dashboard. On the leftmost part of the interface is where you'll see the Discord servers that you're a part of. Then in the middle, you'll have your homepage, where you're going to see your friends list and DMs once you've explored more through the platform. For now, you'll be greeted with the Explore page, where you can see the suggestions on which servers to join, assuming you're on a freshly made account. Now to make your own server, all you have to do is click the plus icon on the servers column. A pop-up will appear showing you the options that you have, so you can make your own Discord server by starting from scratch, or you could choose from any of the given templates and customize your own server based on those. We'll be starting off with something simple, so we're going to choose Create My Own. Since we're here to start a community, we'll choose just that. Then you're going to rename your server to whatever NFT collection you have and upload any kind of image you want for your logo. But make sure that you're actually following through with your theme. Make sure that all of this is related to the NFTs that you're creating. Basically, if you're creating pixel art NFTs, then you'd probably want a server that relates to that theme. So you want to make sure that the overall theme does correlate with the NFTs that you're creating. Now once you've done that, you're going to be left with this basic server with the default channels. You can then start customizing and adding different text and voice channels to your server. Those are the two most basic things in your server. Then you have server boosting, invites, server settings, creating channels and categories, events, notifications, privacy, and other basic settings. So first off, you're going to do the important things, which is setting up different channels. We'll be starting off with setting up your announcements/advisory channels, like a welcome channel where notifications of new members joining will be shown, a rules channel so you'll have a sense of order in your server, an announcement channel so the community gets updates on what you're working on next, a roles channel for your community to choose whichever roles they want to be a part of. There's a ton more you can add, but we're going to stick with these for now to make everything a lot simpler. Now these channels I just mentioned are going to be for you and your mods and admins to customize, which means no one else should be able to tamper with them. In order to set that up, all you need to do is go to the channel settings and disable the send messages options at the top of the text channel section. This will prevent everyone apart from you, the owner, from sending messages in the channel, so you can set up admin roles later on to allow your admins access to this text channel for any edits or updates you might need. To set that up, all you need to do is hop into your server settings, then go to roles, then click on create role, and start setting it up from there. We'll just name this role admin for simplicity's sake. Then head over to the permissions tab and customize what kind of abilities you want your admins to possess. Once all of that is set up, you can move on to making your public voice and text channels. Now these are the channels that your community can fully interact with. Upon making your server, you're already given a general text and voice channel, but this is too boring and basic. What we're going to do is add more. Now, I personally like having the general text channel since it's a great place for the people in your community to get to know each other because there's no specified topic for that channel. Your community can talk about whatever they want in this channel as long as it's within the guidelines and rules that you've set up. For the topical channels though, setting them up is as simple as clicking the plus icon right next to the text channel's logo. You can name this to whatever topics you want discussed in this channel, and you can make as many of these as you want. And if you want to avoid having too many text channels aiming towards specific topics, you can make a more generalized text channel and add threads to them. For that, all you need to do is click on the threads icon on the top right of your interface presented by the hashtag icon and click create. You can then name this to whichever topics you want discussed within that thread, add a message to start off the conversation, and set when you want the thread to be archived after the topic has ended. Now moving into the voice channels, it's quite similar to the text ones, though 1 or 2 voice channels won't suffice for your healthy, growing community. So we'll be setting up a few public voice channels where people could hang out, stream for each other, talk about NFTs, anything. So again, just click on the plus icon, and I'm going to keep this simple, so I'll just name them public 1 to 10. Now your server is practically ready to be used. All you need to do now is send out your invites and wait for your community to start pouring in. To do that, all you have to do is either click on your server icon on the top left and select Invite People, or you could simply click on the invite button next to any of the channels you've made. Now I could go on and on and on about everything there is about Discord and how you could make your channel more approachable and user-friendly, like adding pre-made bots for example. But there are just way too many for me to mention in one video. I'll leave you guys to research that for yourselves, since there are tons of different bots for different uses, and you just have to look for the one that fits best for your needs. Here's an example of a server that's already fully set up. As you can see, all the text and voice channels are well distributed and well labeled. They even have channels that announce when they host giveaways. And apart from all of that, you can see that here on the top left, they even have a bot dedicated to displaying the member count of the server, along with bots here at the bottom that can be used to play Discord games. It all just comes down to a server that's nice to look at as well as be a part of when you see it being as well organized and as interactive as this one. Now everything I've mentioned could of course be applied to any type of server you want to make. It's not just limited to servers aimed at NFTs. Whether your intentions for making a server is for people who are into gaming or studying or even just plain socializing, you can apply what you've learned here to the whole platform. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. If you did, please do leave a like and maybe even a comment down below about what you think. Go ahead and subscribe for more content like this one, and we'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck on your NFT adventures. Cheers.